have come to a place called the Walsh Bay. This place is near the Barangaroo area in Sydney. And we had our breakfast at a place called the Bricks and Beans Coffee House. So usually during the weekends we try to explore new cafes, the cafes with a good view and good food. And this weekend we ended up coming here because we also wanted to do this famous walk called famous walk from Barangaroo to the Circular Quay. Actually, it's not the best weather today. It even rained a few minutes back, but the sun has just come out now. We are just going to continue this walk till Circular Quay. Hopefully, it's not going to rain. Oh, by the way, how was the food? Did you like it?
I love the food and especially the coffee.
I love the coffee. As usual, I ended up ordering the avocado toast and Amrita had shakshuka. Food was good, but I love the coffee. There are very few places in Sydney where I like coffee, and this is one of those places.
It's not just about the food, right? It's about the area as well. It's such a beautiful place right by the bay, and
with a beautiful view actually.
Beautiful view, nice chilly weather, cool weather. It's pleasant actually. Not too hot, not too harsh to the skin. It's beautiful. We're gonna continue our walk to Circular Quay.
Hopefully it's not gonna rain.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
There are people actually climbing the bridge, and this is one of the things that you can do in Sydney, and it is in our bucket list. Hopefully we can do it soon.
Dining spots in this particular area, and what a view they have. It's a really good place to enjoy the food as well as savor some views as well. Best thing about this place is that it's so peaceful, not many people around, it's not crowded, unlike other places in Sydney where it's like jam-packed with tourists as well as the locals.
It's a perfect place to just sink in the views, the nice ambience, the beautiful cafes around, just go for a walk. I think it's the best spot to spend hours and
yeah.
You won't even know that you're spending so much time here.
Yeah, true. Look at the bridge in the background. We are so close to the bridge as of now, and we are, yeah, I think in Pier 2.
Yeah.
Pier 2. Such a beautiful spot, and just loving it. And you can see also the Luna Park in the background somewhere there.
There.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Such a beautiful spot. Just loving it. It has just started drizzling again, and I'm not sure if we'll be able to continue our walk towards Circular Quay. Nevertheless, it's still a beautiful day. We're happy with whatever we have done so far.
Yeah.
And we just saw one person catching a squid just
A couple of minutes
a
back.
couple of minutes back, so we're enjoying as well.
Yeah. And especially right now, it's the jacaranda season, and Sydney is blooming purple everywhere. You can see patches of purple everywhere, and it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
We have come near the Rocks area, and we are right under the Sydney Harbour Bridge. And by the way, you can see the Opera House right behind me, the beautiful Opera House. And you can see this area is so beautiful. It's so many grasslands over here. You can come with your friends and family and picnic here. Such a beautiful spot.